You curly-haired fuck.
You're a big, fat, curly-headed fuck. Oh, yeah?
Be nice to the kid.
No, I like it.
Yo, what's going on, guys? Gary's Beatbox back here again with another Omegle video. Number 2, numero dos, you know? This one kind of speed ran it with some boys in Discord. Just enjoy it.
She a cowgirl, she riding the pony.
I don't even have my hand on my mouse. Look at this fucking guy. What the fuck, man? What is this? Hello?
Hello.
Show boobs.
Fuck off.
Oh, Bob.
He said fuck off.
What is that? I can't hear this, dude. You gotta fix your audio, Austin. Fuck.
Oh my god. What the fuck?
What is this dude doing?
A weird
I
sounding
can't
trumpet.
hear.
What's up, bruh? He's starstruck, dude. He doesn't know what to do.
Like, you were perfectly symmetrical. Like, I shit you not, if I took your head off of your body, I could fucking roll it so perfectly.
Look at the joy this brings to Brandon.
I honestly want to say, you're probably the nicest person we've come across tonight.
Yep.
You are a genuine,
You get an A+,
amazing person, and I want you to know
Thank you.
that no matter what anyone says to you, you're gonna do great things in this world, my friend.
Thank you.
You don't want none of that.
Quit jerking off. He said, do you want to see me jerk off? I knew it!
Hey, is that?
Damn,
That
your
setup
guys'
is so
setup
crazy.
is banging too. What the fuck?
Oh my god! You want to cheers me right now? I'm gonna take another shot. Let's do this.
Oh, she's got...
Here, just use the pillow to wipe off your elbow. So sorry. Oh my god, how much was that? Damn.
Oh, no more.
Yo, I think I know you from YouTube, bro.
Stop the cap. Stop the cap right now. Stop the cap. No bullshit.
Look, tell him to follow me on Instagram at Buddy Sav with 3 V's. You heard? Let me take a screenshot of your shit so I could film me start watching it. Oh shit, DJ, I locked the phone.
I'm gonna pee on myself.
Welcome to 95.9 Kiss FM. Today in Blue Man's studio.
Oh yeah, in Blue Man Studio, I said, baby, come over, let's talk it out. I know you used to be walking out. I'm going through some shit all in my head, and that's the reason we ain't talking now.
A la verga.
Oh.
No mamas,
shut
wey.
up. No, you speak Spanish. What the hell? For sure. Subscribe, you know what I'm saying? Comment, like the video.
What the fuck?
Damn, you got some thick ass bros.
My ancestors were farmers,
Aw.
so to prevent the sweat from going down. Yeah.
What part of the atom has no electric charge?
That would be the nucleus.
It's a neutron.
No, neutrons and protons make up the nucleus.
That's why it's not the nucleus, though. It's the part that has no electric charge. If it has protons, then it has an electric charge.
No, you're right. I'm stupid. Subscribe to Gary's Beatbox.
What's going on, brother?
What are you doing? Am I in your shop?
Yeah, man, I'm Daryl, man. You break it, I fix that shit. They can't find anything in there. You're gonna get epilepsy.
Hey guys, we're gonna wrap this video up with one more thing, which is story time from one of the Omegle chatters. Other than that, just like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.
I don't even gotta talk to nobody. I'll just play Fortnite.
Okay, you can
hear me. You can hear me or what?
Oh yeah, I can hear you. I thought you were about to disconnect us. You're like, I don't want to talk to anybody. I'm just gonna play Fortnite.
I worked for my guy JP McAvenue, all right, for this roofing job my dad got me because they said I was a money pit and I'm spending too much money on it. You got to get a job, right? Bro, I'm like 16, like going to like Temecula to like absolutely get torched on a roof. I bet. So like it's like a really chill day, like for sure, like sick. We get on top of this shed, bro. There's like this like really like dead and wet and
Oh
like
no.
just like really soft square of roof that I didn't see. Everything looked good and I was just cleaning up the top of the shed, you know. I take one step on this shed, bro. I remember falling like through the roof and I land on like speakers, like 5 things of speakers. Oh, like I hit my back like on the speakers. Fucking Hector's all like, no, 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 like this is not supposed to happen. After that second day falling through the roof, he's like, yeah, I don't think like you're cut out, bro. Like, totally fired me for sure. Now we go to the city of Vista. Tried to go back and get a second job roofing again. The devil had me under a trance. I deserve to fall off these roofs. You hear me? This is a disgusting process of just trying to make money. I get to this beautiful house in Oceanside. We have these rolls, 40 to 50 pounds. We're going up a ladder. Your boy skipped leg day a couple times. All right, I'm not gonna lie. Everything's so messy on the roof, and like you're tiptoeing like on the side of like the edge of the house, sketch all the way, tiptoeing, tiptoeing. I remember my big ass boot slips, bro. Right foot, and it just slips off the wood shavings. I like go to reach for the gutter. I rip the whole gutter out of the house.
Oh no.
Like a cartoon, bro. Thank God they parked the work truck in the driveway.
You landed on the work truck.
I was working with this guy Nestor this time. I remember hitting this side of my head on the steel plate. We have these steel plated like gates that keep the material inside of the truck.
Yeah.
And I hit my head on it and I land in the truck and I was out for like 30 seconds. I get up and Nestor's like, do it again. We gotta get it for the YouTube video. I was like, bro,
oh my god, dude.
Are you fucking kidding me, bro? Like, just in the back of my head right here, and I had like a little unicorn lump back there for a little bit.
Alright guys, and that's it. Hey, if you guys like these weird like bonus endings I'm doing, got any suggestions for them, let me know in the comments down below. Otherwise, like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.
The girls be up on me. She a cowgirl, she riding the pony. Craving the meat, this isn't bologna. Filet mignon, nah, Kobe.
She blinded when light hits back.